In this video, let's talk about does golf cart wheel spacers brand matter? When it comes to golf cart wheel spacers, brands matter. Brands offer safety and reduce risk of disappointment. High-quality golf cart wheel spacers bring a level of reliability that also reduces maintenance costs. Real golf cart wheel spacers from a reputable company are always the safety option. Companies that provide quality, well-made golf cart wheel spacers invest a healthy sum in designing and testing their products. Years of research and development make their golf cart wheel spacers safe and more reliable. So, general brand golf cart wheel spacers are essentially safe for daily driving. It is proven that as long as you use high-quality golf cart wheel spacers and install them correctly, there will be no safety issues. Bonus brand golf cart wheel spacers strive to maintain top quality and the best user experience. Designed with longevity and consumer safety in mind, Bonus promised an uncompromised fit, finish, and level of quality. Apart from the base function of spacers, Bonus golf cart wheel spacers provide more particular features. For example, the active cooling function, distributed impeller shake. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. In order to distinguish the real Bonus golf cart wheel spacers and protect customer interest, Bonus has built a complete authentication system. When you get Bonus golf cart wheel spacers, check the authentication code on the package. Then compare these numbers with Bonus official store database. If they don't match, they are not genuine Bonus products. It is always good to use genuine brand golf cart wheel spacers. Each Bonus genuine wheel spacers is Bonus in grade. These golf cart wheel spacers are made in Bonus own factory, so the quality is well guaranteed. Besides, genuine Bonus golf cart wheel spacers are covered by the manufacturer warranty. Good quality is guaranteed to perform well and last for the life of the vehicle.